I am Sheetal Dave from St. Elizabeth School Anjar, and I am teaching you 9th standard chapter number 1 number system. The topic was irrational numbers, so we shall continue that. Now we have to understand why the irrational numbers cannot be expressed in the form of p by q. What is difference between the rational and irrational numbers? So for that some of the example will understand. So 1 by 2, when you divide the number, what you are getting 0.5. Why? Because here 0 remainder comes. So this number is finite decimal number. Let's see another example. 5 by 2. So again when you divide it, what you are getting? 2 2s are 4. 1 is left. Again you go for you have to divide up to which you don't get 0 remainder. So again 2 5s are 10. Now remainder comes 0. So here the division is 2.5. The answer is 2.5. Now we cannot divide as the remainder comes 0. Now this 25 by 4. So we know 1 by 4. Now let's continue this division. So it is 4. Okay, fractional number 4 2s are 8. Then remainder comes 2. So again we go for the 0. 4 5s are 20. So this division is going up to 2 decimal. After that remainder comes 0. Okay, and therefore this number is 0.25. So what you have noticed that after some decimal points the remainder comes 0 and therefore we stop the division. So this type of numbers can you see the reverse one? 1 by 2, 2 by 2.5 and such type of numbers. So this type of numbers which are finite in decimal means after some time it automatically division stops. Such numbers are known as finite decimal number, or the next another name is terminating decimal numbers. Okay, so terminating means after some decimal division stops. So it is terminating decimal number. It is not continue number. So such type of numbers are rational numbers because this 0.5, its a reverse can be expressed in the form of 1 by 2, 5 by 2. See, you can see that they are co-prime to each other and they are co-prime to each other. Only one is a common factor and denominator is not 0. So such numbers are called rational numbers. So the numbers which which are finite decimal number or terminating decimal numbers are called rational numbers. So above all numbers are known as rational numbers. 1 by 2, 5 by 2, 1 by 4. All these type of numbers are called as a finite decimal number or terminating decimal numbers. These are rational numbers. Now let's see second type of rational numbers. So for that I will take another example, that is 1 by 3. Already I have taken that, again I will repeat. Okay, so 1 by 3. So we start division. 3 1s point, 3 3s are 9. See, remainder is 9. Okay. So now again we continue this 0 we will take. So So 3 3s are 1 is remainder. So 10 you will take, 3 3s are 9. Again 1 is coming, remainder is coming 1. Therefore again we continue, we take 0 and we continue 9. Again 1 remainder comes. So this process goes on. This process never stops. So how to write this number? This number will write like 0.33. Same number is repeated. So dot 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 will put. And another is 0.3. So this is repeated number. So we'll put dot over it. What is the meaning of that? The 0.3 repeats. So 0.33333 so on. Or this way also you can write. Or another symbol is 0.3 bar. The meaning of all these three are same. That 3 is repeated. The number which repeats on that you will put either dot or a bar, or then you can do like this. So this type of numbers are p by q form. But in that the same number is repeatedly coming and it doesn't terminate. It goes on, and therefore such a type of numbers are known as non-terminating non-terminating repeating decimal number. So this number is non-terminating bit because it doesn't stop, but the same number is repeated, so repeating decimal number. This number is also which type of number? Rational number, because we can express this in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are co-prime to each other, plus this is not 0. So this number is also rational numbers. Again, one more example we'll take. Suppose we take 1 by 11. Okay, so 1 by 11 will take 1 by 11. So we start division. 2 decimal number. So 0. So now what to do? Again 0. So 0 we have to put because 10 is less than this. 11 nines are 99. So 1 is left. Again you will put 0. Here 0. Again 0. Okay. So again it will be 99. Again you will put 1. So 0. But it will not work. So again you will again 0. So 9. So same way it goes on. So you can see the remainder. First remainder was 1. Remainder is going on 1, 1, 1, 1. So this process will never be stopped. So this number we can express like 0.09090909 and so on. Okay, so here you can see the pattern 09090909. So two numbers are repeated, that is 0.09. Both are repeated, so this way you can write. Second is 0.09. So from here also you can repeat. So these all numbers you can see it goes up to infinite. So it is non-terminating. It never stops. Non-terminating, but the numbers are repeating. So non-terminating, repeating decimal number. So this is also rational number. This also consists as a rational number. So we have a two category P by Q form. The number which are finite decimal or terminating decimal numbers. The second is non-terminating repeating decimal numbers are considered as a rational numbers. Thank you.